I'm making a digital cookbook to easily capture meals, recipes, notes, and even pictures of how I make it. It will be at my fingertips whenever I need it and invisible when I don't. I found a pair of these adjustable torque hinges online for less than $9. Link in the description. I made a simple prototype. This block of wood represents my iPad, and I used it to immediately find out that a plexiglass solution wasn't going to work. Way too bouncy. What, you don't think it works?
It flaps.
And it's not staying up. Well, that's why you do a prototype. But position works, right?
Yeah, position works great.
But I'm gonna have to do something stiffer than plexiglass. At first, I tried putting a simple hinge on the iPad, but I found that I had to tilt it at an angle so that I could read it, and that forced me to use one hand. Also, when it was time to put it away, I found I had to latch the iPad to hold it in place. I simply wanted a hinge that would hold its position whether I tipped it forward or tipped it back. In other words, I needed a lot of friction on these hinges. Turns out, they make hinges called friction hinges, or torque hinges. When I was a kid, my mom made these cool visual cookbooks with drawings of our exact equipment and materials. I've always wanted to have something like this. The clearer it is, the easier it is. With a digital cookbook, I can just snap pictures of the meals as I'm making them and jot down notes for next time. I set up a Google Drive folder and put each recipe in a different slideshow to make it organized, searchable, and easy to load.
Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.